For decades, humanity believed that the future of astronomy was about seeing farther and deeper. The James Webb Space Telescope represented the ultimate achievement of that vision. A giant infrared eye capable of looking back toward the first galaxies, studying the atmospheres of distant worlds, and revealing details hidden across billions of light years. Webb changed our understanding of the universe by focusing on individual objects with extraordinary precision. But now NASA is preparing a telescope designed to transform astronomy in a completely different way. It will not compete with Webb by looking farther into the darkness. Instead, it will look wider, faster, and across a much larger portion of the sky. The Nancy Grace Roman Space Telescope is designed to study the universe as a connected system, rather than a collection of separate objects. It will investigate the invisible structures shaping galaxies, the mysterious force accelerating cosmic expansion, and the hidden components that make up most of the universe. For the first time, astronomers will not only ask what individual galaxies look like, but how billions of galaxies are moving, evolving, and interacting across cosmic history. At first glance, Roman may seem less powerful than Webb. Its primary mirror is 2.4 meters wide, much smaller than Webb's 6.5-meter mirror. If telescope power were measured only by mirror size, Roman would appear to be a step backward. But that comparison misses the entire purpose of this mission. Webb is built like a cosmic microscope, designed to study individual targets in incredible detail. Roman is built like a cosmic survey machine, designed to observe enormous regions of space, and reveal patterns that only become visible when billions of objects are studied together. Its field of view is roughly 100 times larger than Webb's, meaning Roman can capture massive sections of the sky in a single observation. Where Webb can deeply examine one galaxy, Roman can study the behavior of billions of galaxies across cosmic time. This difference is exactly what scientists need to investigate the largest mysteries in modern physics. The greatest mystery Roman will explore is the invisible universe. Everything humans have ever seen, touched, built, and studied is made from ordinary matter. But it represents only about 5% of the cosmos. The remaining 95% consists of dark matter and dark energy, two mysterious components that dominate the universe while remaining almost completely unknown. Dark matter does not emit, absorb, or reflect light. Yet scientists know it exists because its gravity shapes galaxies. Stars at the edges of galaxies rotate faster than they should if only visible matter existed. Something unseen appears to provide the additional gravitational force holding galaxies together. Dark energy is even more mysterious. Observations show that the expansion of the universe is accelerating, as if some unknown force is pushing space apart faster over time. Roman is specifically designed to investigate these mysteries by studying their effects on visible structures. One of its most powerful tools will be gravitational lensing, a phenomenon predicted by Einstein's theory of general relativity. Massive objects bend the fabric of spacetime, causing light from distant galaxies to become distorted. Although dark matter itself cannot be seen, its gravity changes the appearance of galaxies behind it. By measuring tiny distortions in the shapes of billions of galaxies, Roman will create enormous maps showing how dark matter is distributed throughout the universe. Instead of studying dark matter indirectly through small samples, scientists will analyze its influence across vast cosmic regions. Roman will also investigate the history of cosmic expansion by studying supernovae and large-scale galaxy patterns. These observations will test whether dark energy behaves exactly like Einstein's cosmological constant, or whether a deeper explanation is waiting to be discovered. If Roman finds unexpected results, it could point toward entirely new physics. But Roman's mission extends far beyond dark matter and dark energy. Another major goal is discovering and studying planets using gravitational microlensing. Unlike missions such as Kepler and TESS, which mainly detect planets when they pass in front of their stars, microlensing can reveal worlds that are much harder to find. When a star or planet passes in front of another distant star, its gravity bends and magnifies the background star's light, creating a temporary brightening effect. Roman will monitor around 100 million stars near the center of our galaxy, searching for these brief signals. This technique is especially valuable because it can detect colder planets orbiting farther from their stars, worlds similar to the outer regions of our own solar system. Scientists expect Roman to discover thousands of new exoplanets, helping answer one of astronomy's biggest questions: how common are planetary systems like ours? Yet perhaps the most exciting discoveries will be the ones no one predicts. History has shown that the greatest astronomical breakthroughs often come from unexpected observations. Hubble revealed phenomena it was never specifically designed to study. Webb has already discovered galaxies and structures that challenged previous theories. Roman will continue this tradition by constantly watching the sky and searching for change. Supernova explosions, unusual gravitational events, mysterious objects, and entirely new categories of cosmic phenomena may appear in its data. Roman's official mission is to measure the universe. But its greatest contribution may come from the surprises hidden inside its observations. Because when a telescope studies billions of objects instead of hundreds, rare events stop being invisible. The universe begins revealing patterns that were impossible to detect before. The most important thing to understand about Roman and Webb is that they are not competitors. They are designed to work together as two parts of a new era of astronomy. Webb is the deep observer, capable of examining a distant galaxy, a planetary atmosphere, or a cosmic object with extraordinary detail. Roman is the explorer, scanning enormous regions of space to discover where the most interesting events are happening. Roman will identify unusual galaxies, powerful gravitational lenses, strange planetary systems, and regions where dark matter appears to be influencing cosmic structure. Then Webb can focus its powerful mirror on those discoveries and study them in detail. One telescope will reveal the map of the universe, while the other will explore the most important locations on that map. Together, they create a partnership that combines scale with precision. Roman represents a fundamental shift in how humanity studies space. For centuries, astronomy was built around individual discoveries. One star, one galaxy, one planet at a time. Roman introduces an era of cosmic statistics, where the universe becomes a massive data set filled with billions of connected clues. With its survey of billions of galaxies, millions of stars, and thousands of possible new worlds, Roman will not simply collect more images. It will create a living record of how the universe changes over time. It will test our understanding of gravity, cosmic expansion, planetary formation, and the hidden structures shaping reality itself. Webb showed humanity the incredible details of the cosmos. Roman will reveal the larger story behind those details. It will show not only what the universe contains, but how everything within it is connected. And when Roman begins its mission, astronomy may enter a new chapter. One where we stop studying isolated pieces of the universe, and finally begin understanding the cosmic system as a whole.